guys, if you saw my on my Instagram, you would have seen we've crashed the whip. The whip is fucked. Not good. It's not good, man. I'm about to show you now. This is not good. It's not good. And Badger ran out, hit the whole front of the car. So you can see here, smashed all of it. Needs a whole new under tray. If anyone's got any parts, let me know. I need an under tray, arch liner, fog lights around, brand new bumper with the PC, the parking sensors in it. But yeah, man, we're out of business. It's not good. It's ripped all of this arch liner out. Coolant is also leaking all out the car. As you can already see, coolant from everywhere. So yeah, we're gonna turn this one to the W though. Trust me, we're gonna come back with some, I don't know, we're gonna fix it first and then we'll be taking this to the moon hopefully next year. So just stay by for content, and I'm sorry I'm not gonna be posting for a long time now, but please share this video, get this out there. Try and support me a bit, because this is not gonna be cheap, I can tell you that now. So please get this video out there. There's also got the honeycomb as well. Honeycomb grill's all done, so it needs a whole new front bumper. As you can see, destroyed, man. Absolutely destroyed. How can an animal do this much damage to your car? What the fuck? Yeah, guys, I guess it's just one of them things, you know, it is what it is. Something happens to your car, it happens to your car. Can't really change it too much, but I'm upset, like, it's just dead. But yeah, man, we move. We're gonna have to take a W from this. Yeah, I put in some clips at the start of the video from Mexico last night, which is insane, with Campanza and Demo and that, which is lit. But yeah, we gapped some cars. We almost smoked last night, and on the way back, it's all back lanes around mine, so Badger just came out and just smashed the car, like literally smashed the car. So yeah, we got coolant was leaking, so we got a coolant leak. We need to get a new hose for it. So if anyone's got a coolant leak hose, it goes straight into the radiator, that little part there. Let me know, because we can get that done. So we need the arch liner kit as well. Front bumper, obviously gonna have to get it sprayed, but it is what it is. Yeah, it's depressing, but we'll come back. We're gonna come back with some new mods when you see this car next. Trust me, it's gonna be looking lit again. Don't worry, we'll be back with some lit mods. But yeah, man. So this is the car, like. But yeah, I mean, everything else is alright on it. Like, look, everything from the back, everything's all good on it. You know, I don't want to get a number plate in it. That's my number plate. But yeah, man, everything else is good on it, innit? Like, the interior is fine, everything's calm on it. But yeah, literally just this part here, destroyed, completely destroyed. Please like and subscribe, and let's build this, you know. Let's build this back. Let's come back with a W. No, we don't want to take an L today. So everyone, please like and subscribe. Thanks for supporting my videos. Hopefully you lot support this one as well, because this is not going to be cheap to do this video. But fix it. And I'm filming on my phone, but I can't lie, I don't care right now. But yeah, last night was a blur. But yeah, we're going to stay positive, man. Let's get this vibes going. Let's get this car going. I love this car, man. So, you know we're going to fix it. You know the vibes. We're fixing this car, man. Yeah, you know the vibes, man. We're going to fix this car, don't worry. We're fixing the car. So yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Sorry if there's going to be no content for a bit, but we move. We're gonna come back stronger, so don't worry, it's all good. Yeah, man, you know the vibes. Subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Tell me what you need.